I'm gonna make a sandwich. And on that sandwich, I'm gonna put
fried bologna, y'all.
Bread and butter pickles.
Pickled red onions.
Russian dressing.
grainy mustard.
Pepper jack cheese. Texas toast.
Make that sandwich!
Big tune, bust up the doors. Yeah! Up the doors. Big tune, bust up the doors. Big tune, bust up the doors. Big tune, bust up the doors.
Here we go. Let's see. How do I do this? I mean, I wonder if there'll ever be a sandwich on this show that I can actually like eat and look delicate like a lady. Probably not. So this sandwich, it's fun. It tastes delicious. Like people would love it. Not necessarily my jam. But it's good. I mean, it's delicious. Like it's cheese and hot dog, bologna. I mean, it's good. Make that sandwich. I wouldn't say not make it. Like, make it. Somebody out there will probably make this and be like, that's good. It's just, it's like 110 degrees. What do you want me to do? I'm doing the whole 30 after this. Make that sandwich.